You're calling, I'm falling. Don't know what it is you do to me, yeah. Where you go, I follow. Let's go out and dance the night away. Going like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Dance the night away. I am ready for that heartbreak. That's usually how it goes. I have done a billion mistakes before. Maybe I am going crazy. Say you feel the same now that we dancing. I'm taking my chances. I'm going like 1, 2, 3, 4. Looking at you when you're on the floor. 5, 6, 7, 8. Ready for that heartbreak. I'm going like 1, 2, 3, 4. Looking at you when you're on the floor. 5, 6, 7, 8. Ready for that heartbreak. I missed you. Give me that kiss now. I just wanna hold you close to me. I really like you. Do you like me? Don't you wanna see what this could be? I am ready for that heartbreak. That's usually how it goes. I have done a billion mistakes before. Maybe I am going crazy. Say you feel the same now that we dancing. I'm taking my chances. I'm going like 1.
Good morning, guys. Happy Wednesday. Today I am doing a what I eat in a day, and you guys just saw me make some oatmeal. Oatmeal for me is the easiest way to get a bunch of nutrients in first thing in the morning, and it's delicious. Especially when it's cold outside, like today. It's 20 degrees outside, so I really wanted something warm, and I got all fancy with it, like you guys can see, and I put like strawberries in a circle around it and some coconut on top. I don't normally get fancy, I just kind of throw it all in the bowl, but for you guys, I thought I'd get a little fancy today. So that's what I'm having for breakfast. I did already have a cup of coffee, and like you guys have heard me say before, there was creamer in it, Dunkin' Donuts creamer to be specific. So not the healthiest, but delicious nonetheless. And I did want to let you guys know today's video is in collaboration with the channel Tamela D. And guys, I love Tamela. She is hilarious. I love her videos, I love her personality, and I know you guys are gonna love her channel as well. So make sure and go check out Tamela's video when you're done watching mine to go see what Tamela eats in a day. She is doing Weight Watchers, so if you guys are doing that, you could definitely get some great tips on what to eat in a day. I am just kind of doing like, you know, a little healthier eating, a little healthier choices. So you will see I don't eat a ton of meat. I am trying to cut back on the meat a little bit. If you didn't know, I did used to be a vegan for like 1.5 years, and then I transitioned into a vegetarian for like 6 months, and then I went back into a standard diet. So I'm not trying to go vegan or vegetarian again, but I am trying to just tone it down a little bit. So I don't know how much meat you'll see in this, maybe a little, maybe none, I don't know. But anyways, I'm starving. It's like 10 a.m. right now, so I'm gonna go sit and eat this oatmeal, and I will see you guys in a bit.
The other night, saw you glance, your everlasting light. Met your eyes, razor sharp, cut right through the crowd. I don't even want to know your name, I just wanna keep you to myself. Stay with me or leave me be, I want you all too bad. We're strangers in the night. We're in a strange delight. Come with me and you will see. We are bound to be strangers in the night.
Okay, so y'all saw me eat my lunch. That was just like a quick throw together lunch of things I had left over in the fridge. So it was rice, sweet potatoes, some salsa, and some random veggies. It was actually really, really good. I ate that around 1 p.m. and then at 3 I actually got pretty hungry, so I ate like a 1/3 cup-ish of those cashews I showed you guys. Those are actually from Aldi, and they are so stinking good. If you haven't tried those, definitely run to Aldi, pick those up and give them a try. They're super delicious. And then now it's about 5 p.m. and I need to get started on my dinner. I go to work at 5:30, so I like to take my dinner with me. I just walk in my office. I work from home. I like to take my dinner with me to work since I work till 9:30 and eat my dinner that way. So tonight I'm just gonna make a pita pizza because it's super easy and simple, and I'm pretty hungry and I just want dinner already. So let's go ahead and get started on that.
Dazzled eyes shining bright, a never-ending space. I don't even want to know your name. I just wanna keep you to myself. Stay with me or leave me be. I want you all too bad. We're strangers in the night. We're in a strange delight. Come with me and you will see. We are bound to be strangers in the night.
Okay, so here's my dinner. This is pita pizza. I've got red bell pepper, mushrooms, onions, spinach, and then on top I just have nutritional yeast instead of cheese. It's a little bit healthier. And then I'm gonna have water with it. I got this rose gold cup from Walmart for like $5 and I really freaking love it. But I think this is like my 4th or 5th one today, so I'm gonna eat and drink this and go to work, and then I'll probably have a cup of tea and maybe a snack after dinner, possibly. I'll let you guys know.
Strangers in the night.
Alright guys, that's it for this What I Eat in a Day. I'm just going to finish off this tea right before bed and relax. This is a honey vanilla chamomile. It's really, really good and relaxing right before bed. So that's everything I ate today. I hope you guys enjoyed this What I Eat in a Day. I hope it... Knock it off. Go away. That's everything I ate for this What I Eat in a Day. I hope you guys enjoyed this. I hope it gave you lots of good recipe ideas. My husband is behind the camera acting a fool. I hope this gave you lots of good healthy recipe ideas. If you like this video, make sure and give it a big thumbs up, as well as hit subscribe down below if you're new. I would love to have you here, as well as turn on that notification bell if you haven't already. And also definitely make sure and go check out Tamela's video when you're done with mine. I'm telling you guys, you will love her. That's it guys, have a great day. Bye.
Thought that we never be mean, hoping that you'll see what we could be before we throw it all away. And pride's forsaken both of us. Always thought that we would get it right.